so I just got my package in. Let's see, I ordered a bunch of things from Amazon. So I don't know which one is this. Oh, okay, these are the glitter eyeliner and then some Lashes glue. That was really pretty. I like that. Okay, let's swatch them real quick. Swatch real quick. We're gonna open it. Oh, these are really, look at this pink. This pink is really pretty. So let's see. Let's see. Wow, look at that. Huh? It's a, I like that. So that's the pink. This is the gold. That's really pretty. That's the gold. I'll just take them all. There's a silver one. And this is the gold one. It's really pretty. It's like, actually looks like a burnt orange color. And we have the purple. That's my. This was more of the gold one. Because that's like burnt. Mine is more of the gold. Well, lighter gold. Then we have the green. I like this green. Let's see. Wow. That's pretty. Can you see that? And this is, I will call this a turquoise color. Some people might say blue, but I think this is more of a turquoise color. And then this is a pink, but this is like a hot pink. So put that right here. Like that. And then we have the red. I think I like these. Actually, I really do like these. Can you see that? These are pretty. I'll put the descriptions down below and the cost above. Okay, so this is the other box from Amazon. I ordered, so we're gonna unbox this box. Oh, we're gonna try this. Oh my goodness. And it's supposed to be like dual microphone. So we get these are cute. They're neat. Alright, so we're gonna try these. And it comes in a cute little bag. And a little pamphlet. Okay, so I'll read about it later. Put this away. phone accessory so I can, you have the latest iPhone, as you all know, that you can't charge and listen to your music at the same time. So I bought this little adapter to make that possible for me. As you can see, the little lighting mark right here is for the charging port, and then you have your headset. So right here. A cute little wallet. I needed a new wallet. I like the color of it. It's like, to me, it's like a nude color to match with any bag, because I like to change my bag. And look at that with the cute little petal on it. It's really pretty. Oh, the part that I like is that you have so many compartments to put your credit card, driver's license, checkbook, change, money. Yeah, I really like it. This is nice. And it closes really well. Perfect. Pretty. Then, oh, I get the Outmaker. This is the, I just wanted to try this eyeliner stamp. So you can do your little wing liner, left and right wing. So it says, pull me. Okay, this is a pamphlet. I'll read that now. So you have your left and right. One end is, yep, this is the eyeliner end to make your eyeliner, and the other side is the stamp, as you can see. So you can make your wing liner. Okay, so you have your left and right stamp. Actually, it says it right here, right stamp, and right stamp and left stamp, and it's black. Cream. I bought this cream because I have a scar that I want to get rid of, and hopefully it works. I'll do a video about the scar before and after. I'll take some pictures on that. And this one, Young Blood, which is a mineral primer. It's gonna be the first time I'm trying this. And this is something I bought because I need a new primer. I'm out of primer, so that's how it looks. And it has a pump. I know, I'm gonna try that. Hold on. Okay, I have swatches already. Let's see. Ooh, it's nice and smooth. And it's not greasy. Oh, I like it. I love it. Alright. So, okay, I don't remember what this is. So we're gonna open this one. Oh, I know what it is. I can feel it. This is glitter. Okay, I need to see this. They tape this really good. Look at this. Making sure you cannot get in here. I'm gonna put this box. Sorry. Let's see. These are really pretty. Glitter, glitter, glitter. The glitters. All right, so it looks like some of it came out a little bit into the package. Let me turn it around that way. It looks like it might be the gold glitter that came out a little bit. They look really full. Really full. So that's the glitters. Last thing I bought was Oh, okay. I broke out. I'm breaking out. So when I went to the dermatologist last, they had prescribed this. I mean, now you can get it online without a prescription. So I bought some. Yay, they came in. All right. And that's all I have. If you have any questions or if you have any comment, please comment below. And don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.